Hi, my name is Carrie Price, and I decided to do my project on rainforest for second grade. The first thing I have to do for the center is to show a map of the world and the different continents labeled, and then I have a worksheet that's blank that looks just like the one above, but it has instructions for them to color the rainforest of the world green, color the rest of the Earth's land yellow, color the ocean, seas, and lakes blue, color the lines of the representing equator, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn red. So as the children sit down to do this activity, they will have to look at their worksheet and then also use the map or globe by them to help them finish coloring it in and labeling all the different rainforests around the world. And the second center I came up with is a miniature rainforest, and this one has the instructions for them to first create the forest floor made up of fungi, moss, and decaying leaves, and this will be drawn out on a construction paper. So they'll have a blank sheet, and I think pastels are a great material to use to create this beautiful artwork. And after this first layer, then they will have to color and label the second layer, which is the understory, and that's made up of shrubs, ferns, and small trees. The third layer is the canopy, and that's made up of trees whose tops are very close together. And then the fourth layer is the emergent layer, and that's made up of the tall trees that rise above the canopy. So for the third center I have over here, it's called Take a Tour of the Rainforest. They will have to do this at a computer. Visit this website, www.msu.edu, and they will have to print out the Rainforest Hidden Life worksheet, which is this right here. And it's basically a table. It has plants located over here and about 10 columns blank, and then animals, and then insects. So while they are looking at the virtual rainforest online, they're having to look at the pictures of the rainforest, move the mouse over the different pictures, and the hidden plants and animals and insects will appear. Then they will have to click on that picture to enlarge it and to also learn some facts about it. And then they'll have to make a decision and decide whether that is a plant, an animal, or an insect. Then they will write its name on their worksheet under the correct label, and then they will click the back button to go back to the virtual rainforest and continue searching for more plants, animals, and insects. So last but not least, this is my fourth center activity. It's called the Rainforest Linear Vine Decorative String. So I will have books or pictures already out for the kids to look at, and they can make this out of construction paper. They'll need scissors and glue or string or tape or yarn, and they will draw out and create leaves, flowers, snakes, butterflies, and different things that they see in the pictures, and create their own vine, and then we can use those as decoration around the classroom when we're done with the unit. So to make this more challenging for the gifted and talented children, there's different things that you can do to each of these. You could have them write the facts that they learned about each of the plants, animals, or insects. For the miniature rainforest, you can have them write the definitions or look up some interesting facts about the different layers and be more detailed in the layers. They also could look up in this art project, besides plants, animals, and insects, they can look up the different foods that the rainforest provides us with, spices and cashew nuts and different things that we get from the rainforest. And for this one, they can go into it and search a specific rainforest area and then be more detailed on that. So also with the English language learners, I think you can do the same thing that we did with the GT students and pick different areas of each of these for the children to write, and maybe we can have it in Spanish for them already, and then they have to write out the English or vice versa to help get them learning some of the terminology in English and Spanish for each of these activities. And then for the children who might have some special needs, we can also downsize some of these activities. We might could have all of these cut out already, and then all they have to do is put it together or different things like that to make it a little more easier for them. For here, we might could have some of these already filled in for them, and then they could have a few blanks so they have some ideas already for them to look at, so that might make it easier. Different things like that that you could do for all 4 of these centers, and they might need someone to help sit with them at the computer to help them. But I think all 4 of these are great for 2nd graders, and I think we can do different modifications to each one of the activities to reach all the needs of the students in the classroom. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.